What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hurricane's gone, so we get to get back out in the shop. So what we're gonna do today is a little like EDC knife. I got a little scrap piece of 8670 here. It's most likely gonna be a hidden tang because I'm trying to focus on doing hidden tangs right now. I don't do a lot of them. So that's what we're gonna do. So what I'm probably gonna do is take a measurement of this, get me some kind of rough dimensions or whatever, sketch something up very, very loosely to what I'm going for. I might end up drawing the tang first or whatever, but we'll see. That's what we're gonna do. Little, we'll say hidden tang EDC, about 4.5 inch blade. Super simple. All right, so while that's heating up, what I'm gonna start doing, I just threw together some stuff to where I have dimensions mainly, as far as the styling and the profile of it. That's super rough. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw in the tip first so I can start working down what I know is the blade, because I could draw the tang out to, you know, whatever I need with very little material. So I don't wanna waste anything that could be a blade. It's gonna be a very small blade, but just in case, that's gonna be my order of operations. So forging a tip. Once I get the tip, then I'll start working on the profile, and I'll probably cut in the shoulders because I'm absolutely terrible at forging in shoulders, and I don't have a lot of material to be playing with to mess something up and not have enough to continue with doing the project. So it's my last little bit of 8670. I just got a big order of like 15 and 20 and 1084 and stuff like that. So I really like 8670. If you haven't used it, it's from Pops Knife Supply. It's great stuff. Super easy to heat treat. Forges like butter under the hammer. I love it. Takes a simple heat treat. Use it for a lot of kitchen knives and stuff like that, so I love it. But anyway, that's what we're doing. Get my little doodle here, put it over here. I'm gonna get a rough set down of where I want to start forging the tang, and then from there we'll start working on the blade a little bit more than the tang. Way proud of what it's gonna be, so I'll have plenty of grinder room, because I'm not that good at doing hidden tangs. It's only like my 5th one, so I'm basically just gonna forge to where I feel like it's a good point to pick up from with the grinder. Alright, there's my set down. I got plenty of room. We'll wing it. We'll play it by ear. Who knows? I might forge the tank. Why not? If I don't do it, I'm not gonna learn, I guess. Cool. Familiar with the channel, you know that I use Bull Hickory forge hammers. But these hammers are awesome. But I live in Florida. It is about 110 degrees in the shop right now. This hammer is only like 2 pounds, but it's got a very small face. So with the smaller face, you're able to kind of pinch the material a little bit better, displace it a little bit better. So I use that. This is my summertime hammer until I can make some more money and convince John to make me a little small hammer that he's going to make fun of me for using. So anyway, that's where the good hammers are. It's kind of like a baby dog head hammer. That is an awesome hammer. It's like a 3.5, I think it's 3.5 or 3 and some change. Rounding face, straight peen. John over at Old Hickory Forge. If you don't got one, you need one. I'm telling you, you need one. So, I just had a thought when I was looking at this knife. I had a goof. I usually finish the blade first. I didn't touch the blade and glued it up, putting the handle together, so we're gonna go with it. Usually I would start over, but for the sake of doing the video, I'm just gonna send it, you know, and clean this stuff up and then get me a profile of the handle on there and see what happens. But usually I would jump this. don't think it's gonna be too bad. I did goof right there. So this is for the sake of the build video. So far it's gonna be a what not to do. Finish your blade before you fit up your handle material. Take your time, get your order of operations right. I was just kind of out here in the middle of 3 or 4 projects and started to make this one for the video purpose, but learning is learning, right? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and call it there. Like I said, it's a serviceable knife. As far as the blade and the heat treat and the handle and stuff like that, it is comfortable and stuff. It's just the fit and finish aspect of it is definitely not where I would like it to be. It's a belt finish. I hate belt finishes. You can't hand sand a knife with the handle on it as neatly as it would make sense to do it, but that's what we got out of it. We're gonna continue to do hidden tang projects. If you guys like this one, help the channel grow a little bit, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe. I'm going to try to focus more on doing builds and filming and stuff like that. So if you guys liked it, or you have any thoughts or ideas for projects in the future, drop them in the comment section below. I appreciate you guys for hanging out if you made it this far. See you next time.